Yo, what is going on today? Today's a little bit different of a thing. I know I always say like, oh, today's a different one. Today's a new one. But today's actually a little bit different. All right, what we're doing is we're gonna be unboxing a Max G3 Segway. Or is it a Segway G3 Max? You know, we're and you're probably wondering, oh, hey, why did you get a Segway GT Max? You got a GTR. Yeah, I know I got a GTR. The Segway GT Max is actually not mine. It's my best friend Frankie's. I think you guys remember him from the first video I did. Yeah, that guy. He finally got an e-scooter, so we're unboxing it. Except we're not unboxing this one. We're actually unboxing this one. All right. Wait, they give you a stem for a pump? Do they give you a pump? No way is it this easy. Oh, yeah. We got it all assembled. I mean, it's pretty simple with like an unboxing. There's this little mud flap that goes into the back, so we could always just put that on. But yeah, for the most part, it's just handlebars, and then it's all set. And then boom, there we go. So I'm gonna get all that fun stuff done, activated, switched up, turned on, charged. I'm gonna run this. Cool, so we're off. This is the second day, so it's been like a week or two. I'm not really sure the amount of time it's been. So two things: when I first had the scooter, when I was first pushing it around, we had them, but we didn't unlock them. Like, we didn't really unlock them, we just kind of changed certain settings so that it's a little bit nicer. So the Segway G3, I'm pretty sure every Segway, like it uses the app, and so essentially out the box the Segway G3 actually goes a little slower. It goes around 20 miles an hour. Once you open the app and then get into the customized speed settings, you can turn it up from 20 to 28. I have to say, it feels like a completely different scooter. There's also another setting, it's called boost mode. I don't know, I haven't done it yet. And it said you have to make sure there's no pedestrians around, and I think this was a good spot. Is it this? Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh. That has a good push. Like, that has a really good push. It feels really good. Alright, come on, let's try to get this a little bit. Ran out of space, but it's all good. I was going uphill. But oh man, that's actually that's really nice. I think he picked this up at Best Buy because he was just in a pinch. But wow, this is definitely like a real good city commuter scooter. Once you go through the app on the American version, the scooter, it really opens it up. It does feel like a whole new scooter. I just wish it had a little bit more space, so then you felt a little bit more centered. Or if the head tube angle was a little bit more up, I wouldn't feel as if the scooter's gonna try to wheelie on me every time. I would definitely suggest this to any person who is getting into e-scooters for the first time. The app is amazing. It gives you prediction and range, so it has a good reliability. It checks a lot of boxes for a lot of people. It doesn't have too much power, but it has enough power to get you where you're going. I mean, honestly, I feel like I could sit around and learn some wheelies on this. You can also get a battery range extender if you don't like the range on it. Segway really gave you a lot of options. This is definitely, you know, a good pick. With that, I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing and my first impressions. So y'all stay easy, be easy, and peace. Oh, and just one quick second. Yeah, so this thing doesn't come with a pump. Doesn't come with a pump whatsoever. So I don't know what type of sick game you're trying to play, Segway, but this is up on so many. You're gonna send me a nozzle for a pump, but not the pump.